Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Toolbox. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for product managers, maximizing your workflow using Figma. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content on product management and design. Let's kick things off with user personas. Understanding your users is at the core of successful product management. In Figma, we can use user persona templates to create detailed profiles, including demographics, goals, and pain points of our users. Make sure to share these personas with your team, creating a common understanding of your target audience. Now, let's talk about ideation. We all know that brainstorming is crucial in the product development process. Mind mapping tools help us organize ideas visually, and the great thing is, you can seamlessly integrate them with Figma. By exporting relevant insights, we can bring our brainstorming sessions directly into our Figma projects, keeping everything in one place. Next, communication is key in cross-functional teams. Figma's Start Conversation tool enables you to initiate discussions directly on specific design elements. This promotes real-time collaboration and ensures everyone's thoughts are heard. It's a powerful way to gather feedback, ask questions, and refine designs collaboratively. Moving on to user flows, a vital aspect of understanding the user's journey. Figma enables collaborative editing, simplifying the process for product managers to map and iterate on user flows. Visualizing these journeys is crucial for creating a seamless and user-friendly experience. Wireframes are the backbone of design. In Figma, we can create low-fidelity wireframes, focusing on structure and layout without diving into visual details. This iterative design process ensures alignment with stakeholders' expectations before moving into higher fidelity designs. Finally, let's talk about high-fidelity mockups. This is where your design comes to life visually. Figma enables us as PMs and designers to create detailed mockups, and the interactive prototypes derived from these mockups can be shared for user testing and feedback. It is a crucial step in ensuring the final product meets both design and user experience standards. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how product managers can maximize their workflows using Figma. Remember, these tools are not just for product managers and designers, they are for the entire product team to collaborate effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Now go ahead, integrate these tools into your Figma workflow and take your product management game to the next level. Thanks for joining us today on Product Toolbox. If you want more content on product management, design, and tech, subscribe and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, happy designing, and I'll see you in the next one.